SUV enthusiasts, the Hyundai Creta is back for 2025, and it's better, bolder, and packed with features that redefine what a compact SUV can offer. Today, we're diving deep into everything this modern marvel brings to the table. Its stunning design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and so much more. So buckle up, because this is a ride you don't want to miss. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Hyundai Creta commands attention with its refreshed design. Up front, you'll notice the striking parametric grille, now seamlessly integrated with futuristic LED headlights. The bold lines flow effortlessly from the hood to the sculpted side panels, giving it a muscular yet aerodynamic stance. And how about those wheels? The Creta now sits on gorgeous 18-inch diamond-cut alloys, perfectly complementing its sporty vibe. The rear, redesigned taillights with a sleek, full-width LED bar give it a modern and premium feel. It's clear Hyundai wasn't just aiming for a facelift. They wanted a game-changer. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that oozes sophistication and tech savviness. The 2025 Creta boasts a dual-tone interior with soft-touch materials and premium stitching. The centerpiece? A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with a fully digital driver's display. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Hyundai Creta offers a range of engine options to suit every driver. At the heart of it is a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering 160 horsepower for a smooth yet exhilarating ride. Prefer diesel? The 1.5-liter CRD engine is back, offering both power and fuel efficiency. And here's a treat for enthusiasts: multiple drive modes, including Eco, Sport, and Snow, ensure the Creta adapts perfectly to any terrain or mood. Paired with a 7-speed DCT, gear shifts are lightning quick, making every journey a joy. So, there you have it, the 2025 Hyundai Creta, a compact SUV that combines cutting-edge design, luxurious comfort, and stellar performance. Whether you're an urban explorer or a weekend adventurer, the Creta has something for everyone. If you're as excited about the 2025 Hyundai Creta as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.